guys, good morning. It's time for another trendy diet. This week it is veganism, which I am very excited for. I'm gonna be, my voice is so groggy. It's because it's the morning, I'm sorry. I'm gonna be following the raw till 4 diet. So that's basically you're eating raw food until 4 and then you can have cooked vegan meals. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm really excited. I love veganism. I love just the thought of not using animal products, the thought of not eating animals, like just it's a nice one. It's a really sweet kind of diet. So I'm excited to do this week. I'm starting today off at 134.5 pounds. Yesterday was I would definitely call it my cheat day because I was finally off keto and decided, well, I'm just gonna eat whatever. So that's what happened yesterday. I'm literally going from a meal that was all cheese and all processed and all meat, cheese and meat, to a completely fruit and veg diet right now. My body's gonna be like, what are you doing up there? Like, what is happening? I'm getting ready for work right now, and I thought that it would be a good idea to measure my body as well as weighing myself, because when I did keto, I didn't lose any physical pounds, but I also didn't measure myself, so I'm not sure if I actually lost inches though. So this is my lunch that I prepped. It is 3 pink oranges and 14 strawberries. And then this is just another one that I can take to work, and it looks so yummy. And then over here, I pre-made some burgers, vegan burgers for dinner. These are chickpea and mushroom burgers. They look so yummy. Right now, I'm gonna make some fries for later. Hey guys, so I just got off work. I am headed home. It is almost 7:30. I'm excited to go home and eat my vegan meals. I made some vegan bread. I set it up just to rise. I'm gonna bake it when I get home so I can have some bread for my burgers. Some vegan bread, so I'm super excited. Something that I was thinking about was that I can't do raw till 4 if I'm doing intermittent fasting as well. And what I'm going to be doing is 1 raw meal and then 1 cooked meal. If I want to do 2 raw meals, that's fine, but not 2 cooked meals in a day. So that's kind of how I'm justifying the raw till 4. So I'm gonna have a lunch and then a dinner and then a snack, and see how this goes. So I got my dinner for right now. So far, this is what it is. It's an open face burger because the bread that I made, I did not do the yeast right for my bread. And I'm just not gonna have bread. I actually have vegan tortillas if I want to use that instead. But so far, I just have these patties with ketchup and mustard and relish and ketchup on the side of my fries, and this is my meal. Looks good. Okay guys, so I have this as a snack right now, just a few of these. I had 3 tablespoons of it, and it's vegan. There's no trace of eggs or meat, and it's just nuts, but it's the winter spice mix, and I thought it was delicious. Also, I have this veggie protein mix because I realized, like, with my macros, there wasn't a lot of protein, so I'm gonna have some of this as well, and then see how my calories look and see if I'm full, if I'm satiated. I tried putting that bread back, and I think I'm probably just gonna throw it away because it's kind of gross. So I'm gonna drink this up right now. Hey guys, so that is it for vegan day 1. I feel very full after my open-faced burgers and my fries and my protein shake and those nuts, and I'm not hungry for anything else. So I'm just gonna call it quits for the night, get some reading in. I'm currently reading The Woman in the Window. There is a movie coming out soon featuring, I believe it's Amy Adams. So after I read the book, I'll watch the movie and say how much the movie could not compare to the book. Besides that, vegan day 1 is over. I am ready for vegan day 2 tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video so other people can see my vegan journey. And remember, I love you. Bye, you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful life. Mwah.